Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install MovieBox on your PC or laptop easily in 2026. First, open your browser like Chrome. Go to the search bar, type MovieBox download for PC, and press enter. You will see many websites in the results. First, check if MovieBox is available on Microsoft Store. If it is available, you can install it directly from there because it is the safest option. If it is not available, then go back and open a trusted website that provides the MovieBox app. Make sure the website is safe before downloading. Now, click on the download button and wait for the file to download. After the download is complete, open the file and start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the setup. Once the installation is done, open the app from your desktop or Start menu. Now you can use MovieBox on your PC. That is it. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more updates.